Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this little dongle right here. And this is actually marketed as a dongle for your Apple CarPlay to make it wireless. And it was sent to us by the manufacturer for free. However, I have tested this and it works not only for Apple CarPlay, but it also does work for Android Auto. So I'm going to go over how to set it up really quick. I've had no issues with it with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Works, like I said, great. We'll do your maps. It'll do the sound, music, everything, contacts, text messages, just like it were to work if you were to hardwire your phone. Speaking of hardwiring your phone, this will only work on models of vehicles that require a hardwire connection. So like 2016, 2017-ish to about 2022, I know definitely will work. So if you have that, just be cautious and ensure that you do have the wired capability for this to work. So we've got it plugged in now, and then all you have to do is go onto your phone. I'm going to be going through the Apple version first. You will go on here and you will select the device, which on this one here, it's going to be the one that says C1 Play, and then it'll come up with a pairing number, and then you'll select it, allow it to connect to your contacts and everything. And then here in a second, it should say connect to CarPlay. And then it should pop up on here after all the connections are made. What it's pretty much doing is making a wireless connection via Wi-Fi, and boom, right there we go. We have the wireless, as you can see, no wires, CarPlay. So then, like I said, you can go in here and do all the stuff that you want to. We have our maps pulled up right now. You can pull up your phone contacts. You can pull up all the other stuff on here. Like I said, messages. You can go back into your Ford Sync if you would like to. And then, of course, back into your CarPlay. You can go to your settings, calendar, audiobooks, Spotify, any other apps that you have downloaded to your phone will work on this. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this really quick now. So easy to do. I'm just going to go into my phone here and I will find the CarPlay one, and I am going to forget this device. Boom, just like that. And then we will pull out our Android device right here, and we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings on here. I'm going to pull up all of my available Bluetooth devices and go to the one that says CarPlay, which is kind of funny because this is Android Auto. And then same thing, you'll pair it, and it's going to go through pretty much the same process as we did with our Android Auto, or excuse me, Apple CarPlay. But I might need to unplug this and then plug it back in just to kind of reset this thing really quick. So we'll do that. So that might be something that you need to do. If you did have it hooked up to an Apple device or Android device, just disconnect, reconnect, and then I believe it's going to work this time. Yep, there we go. Reconnect to device, connecting, flashes, Android Auto pulls up, and then here is our Android Auto screen that is loading up. Boom. Right there, same thing. Like I said, make sure this volume's down. We don't want to catch any copyright strikes right there. But same thing here with this and everything. You can use all the apps that are on your Android Auto or your Android device. You can scroll through here, see everything, have contacts, all the stuff. A little bit different layout than the Apple CarPlay. But overall, I like this. Like I said, it's mainly marketed for Apple CarPlay, but it does work for both of the devices. It will work for your Android or it will work for Apple. So if you have both devices, or if you have one and your wife has one, whatever, it's a really good deal. So either one of you can jump into the vehicle and you will be good to go. Just have to make sure that power is off. You don't have to necessarily unplug it, plug it back in, just have your vehicle turn off and then turn it back in. So it'd be perfect if somebody's jumping out, doing their thing, somebody else comes in and gets in, you'll be, it'll be fine. So overall, great product here. Like I said, I've been using it for a few days. No problems with connectivity or anything. And go ahead, check this one out. Right here's the box. That is what it looks like.